Maayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, I'll be sharing my coconut macaroons recipe. Okay? For the ingredients, I have here the flour, granulated white sugar, baking powder, iodized salt, my eggs, corn-roll milk, sunshine butter, I have desiccated coconut, and my Bravo condensed milk. Okay? So this is very easy. Mix all ingredients. Let's start. Okay, so your harina, the flour, your leavening agent, baking powder, the salt, granulated white sugar, mix mo ng maayos, and then melt your butter. Okay? Full cream milk. Don't forget to sift your harina or your flour, ha? Para walang bobo. And then, let's change to rubber scraper. Tapos, Bravo condensed milk. Medyo maraming recipe to. If you want, pwede mo divide into 2 yung recipe. Okay? Then lastly, desiccated coconut. It's done. Set aside natin. And then, let's prepare the baking pan. So, this is 1 ounce baking pan with 1 ounce baking paper or cupcake liner. Transfer natin here para mas mabilis. And then, fill yung cupcake liner nyo. So again, you can use like this, liquid measuring cup or pwede si scooper. Ako mas sanay ako here. So bake this one at 300 degrees Fahrenheit na init ng oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Yung ganito kaliit. Okay? Sometimes kasi nagbe-bake kami ng mas malaki, that's around 35 minutes. Let's bake. Then yung natira, gawin nating buko pandan. Okay? You put around 2 tablespoons na buko pandan flavor. Then, lagay ko siya sa 2 ounces na cupcake. Bake this one mas longer, around 30 to 35 minutes. There you go, our coconut macaroons. Okay? So, I have here yung maliliit. Yan o, ganda. Then, I also have here the buko pandan. Yung mas malaki. Yan. See? Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And comment down below kung anong next recipe ang gusto nyong gawin ko. Bye!